YouTube.
Guess what we're doing today?
We're gonna open this LOL doll.
Yeah, we're gonna move this camera over a little here. Wanna open it up?
Yeah.
Let me help you. Where's the little thing there? Can you get it? I'm gonna do a little cut in it. Here, let me do a little cut. You can open it up. There we go. Got it back here. You pull it open. Ooh. We're having trouble here.
Yeah, having trouble.
I'll hold it still. There we go. It's coming along. Ooh, there's a lot of packaging on this. Yeah, pull that one. Pull that one. Okay, we got the first one done. We'll pull this one in.
Yeah.
I got it. No nails. Yeah, you pull that one.
Okay.
I'll hold the ball. Don't pull it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's move all this over here. First, it comes in a big ball.
Yeah.
I'll explain to everything. It's a little big plastic ball here. And let's lay it all out. Look. Oh, look at that. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Wait, let's lay it all out. How many packages we got here? Oh, you got one only? It's okay, you can open that one.
Okay.
There you go, folks. Because there's people going to be watching this. So look how many packages you got on this wall. Comes with all these packages.
Let's see what we got.
Fancy paper. You're just going to open the first one. You had the blue one? Okay. Oh. Here's the doll. You going to show them? Whoa. Here, let's go like this. So put it real close. Oh, you got a little orange haired doll.
Yeah, orange hair.
That's cool. Now the kids can pull her head off. What else do we got? Ooh, is that a... What is that? What does that do? Yeah, keep it in the camera here. Show them. Oh, wait. Go back up there like this. See? Right here. Whoa, that's neat. What is that? That's weird. Oh, look. They have a little thing here. What do you got there? Does that go on here, maybe?
Maybe.
Does that go on there? That's a light. Oh, it is. Oh, he just dropped it on the floor. What do we got there now? What's that? Let's take all the trash out of here.
It's called trash.
Trash. What's this? Does this go on here somehow?
Hey, look.
Oh, look. See? Whee! Look at that. What is that? Clothes? You put the clothes on her?
Yeah.
Or I want to keep opening stuff. Keep opening it.
Okay.
You keep opening it. We got this.
Okay.
A little spinny thing here. I guess there's a laser light of some kind.
There's shoes?
Oh my god, shoes. You gotta lay them over here so they can see them.
Okay.
You put them over here. There's a little coat here.
Yeah, a little coat. A little microphone.
Oh, there's a little bubble here.
A microphone is here.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
It's
a stand. We got a stand.
That's cool. I'll put her on a stand.
First, get her dressed.
Okay, is that it?
No, one more.
One more.
One more left.
Gotta put her shoes on. Let's put her shoes on.
I think this is a disco ball.
Disco ball? Did I put her shoes on right? Maybe we gotta put her skirt on first. There we go, see? There's a skirt. Oh wait, hold on. How do you do this? There we go. There's the jacket. Put the other arm through. Oh, there's the arm through there.
So I'm not going to be able to go on YouTube anymore because I'm sniffling.
Because you're what? Because you're sniffling?
Yeah.
Well, there we go. Look. See?
Yeah.
There's a little YouTube.
Try not to sniffle.
There we go. You put her little feet in there, and I think you can go like this.
I guess my kid's done.
There's her biggie. Oh well. Get this out of the way. Fancy.
Her little microphone.
See that? Spinny, spinny.
Her little microphone is here.
There you go.
La la la
there
la
we go.
la la.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Bye. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.